What's up, guys? It's your girl Celeste Renee, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, hey, hey. Oh my god, that was horrible. Anyways, I don't know what it was about. That was definitely giving y'all some Fat Albert vibes. Like, I cannot even with myself. Anyways, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. If you haven't been here before, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe so you can see my videos. So let's get started. So, well, let me tell you what we're gonna do first. So, excuse my roughness. Actually, my skin kind of looking a little, no, it's done. Okay, anyways, I just finished meal prepping, you all. This is my first time meal prepping for my lunch and dinner and breakfast, and I'm tired. Like, I don't know. I don't even know. It's a lot. It's a lot. But I'm about to show y'all what I'm basically going to be having for the week. So this is going to be kind of like a what I eat in a day / meal prep video. So I don't know what I'm going to title it, but that just doesn't even matter. Let me just get started. So first off, y'all, this took forever. Like, it just took a really long time. And I made I have like 4 different options because I get bored easily. And I'm really trying to stick to my goals, so I was like, maybe if I have options to choose from, I'll feel like, you know, a little better. But I don't know. But yes, I have like a little bit of low energy right now because I'm actually tired as hell. But anyways, let's get started with breakfast. So, you guys probably already saw this, but like, let me just make this really clear before, because y'all can be like, this is a joke. I am limiting, like, you know what, whatever. I'm just going to let you guys see it. You can just judge it if you want to. So, this is what I'm having for breakfast. 2 eggs. They're already cooked. My house smells like boiled eggs. It's disgusting. But for breakfast, all I have is like 2 eggs and like tea. Oh, actually, I got a new tea. I should want y'all to see it because it's like really good. This is my, y'all like my workout outfit? It's cute, right? This is lemon ginger tea. I got this from Marshall's. Ross had it actually, but yeah, it's pretty good. It's really strong. Anyway, so next we have, this is my favorite. Like, I really should have did more of these. This is like literally my favorite option. Green. Oh, it smells so good. This is green beans with turkey meatballs, y'all. I really just want to eat one of these meatballs right now because it's so good. But I made 2 of these, and I just put, like, you can see like it's glistening because it has like a sauce on it. It's like a sweet and sour type of sauce. I probably shouldn't have did the sauce, but whatever. I mean, shit, I'm only eating 4 meatballs and some green beans, so yeah. All of the meal preps have green beans. That's the vegetable, because that's really the only vegetable I can eat every day and not get annoyed with it. So yeah. The second option is, this one has a carb in it. This is the only one with a carb. Yeah, because I'm really not doing carbs, but for some reason I just thought this would be good with brown rice. But this is brown rice and quinoa with chicken. It's a piece of chicken breast. I cut the chicken breast because I thought it was too much. It was really big. And some mushrooms with some green beans. So I did the calorie count for like how much these meals are, and like it was around like 300. So that's not bad. But well, breakfast is like, I would say round it up to 200 because really like the 2 eggs is like 100 and something calories, but yeah. Okay. This is another option. It's just a sweet potato. Quick story, I was meal prepping and I literally didn't buy enough food, so I still have 2 containers that need a meal. So if you have any meal prepping ideas, please let me know. What's the other one? Oh, this is the last one. This is one of my favorites too. It's the salmon patty from H-E-B with green beans. This is actually really good. If you live in Texas, you should definitely get it. It's like 2 for $5. They're really good. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be having for the next 5 days. Hopefully I can stick to it. I mean, I don't really have a choice to have all this food, so I'm gonna have to stick to it. But yeah. So we shall see, you guys. I feel like this video is very uneventful. I'm really tired. You know what? Next time I'm not gonna make a video when my energies are low because I feel like this video was just trash. Okay, it wasn't trash. It was whatever. But anyways, yes, that's my meal prep. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you like and subscribe and meal prep. Actually, I'm gonna do an update. Like after this week, I'm gonna update y'all about how it went, and I'll let y'all know. And I'm gonna do it early so I'm not all tired. But yes, thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you guys next week. Bye.